everyone, welcome back. If you receive a payment failed error in the Lloyds app, first check that you have enough balance in your account. Then confirm that the recipient details including account number and sort codes are entered correctly. Make sure that your connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network related. Then, if the payment was declined, wait for a few minutes before trying again. Check whether there are any temporary service issues affecting the payments. If the payments continue to fail, your account may have a temporary security restriction. In that case, contact Lloyds customer support for assistance, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.